It's the end of day 8. I didn't do any recording today. We left North Fork at about 5:15 and went straight into a big storm. It was lightning and thundering, and the trail we were on was ridiculously overgrown, and then we got down on some gnarly single track, and I just wasn't in the mood to film. I apologize. And then after about, 4 or 5 hours of that, we got out on what's called the Gruder Corridor. And it was basically a 100-mile gravel road, so I didn't think that was really worth filming. And then we went into Elk City and got some dinner and left there and had just a real short single track section. Really weren't worth filming that either. And a little bit of ATV trail. And now we're on another gravel road trying to make our way to Lowell, where we'll stay tonight. We should be about, 45 minutes from there. We're in the Pacific time zone now, and it's 10:43 Eastern, but 7:43 here. That's why it's still light out for now. About 10 minutes ago, I saw a mama black bear and 2 cubs. That was pretty cool. They were standing right in the road. Kind of jumped off the road when they saw me coming. But tomorrow will be day 8. That's what ended our tour last year. So fingers crossed it doesn't rain and snow, and we make it through tomorrow. It's a pretty difficult day, but we're gonna give it our best shot, that's for sure. That Magruder Corridor I was talking about, it basically, we were in Montana, and then the Magruder Corridor, you go up on something called the Naz Pass. You come out of Montana to the Naz Pass, and then you come back into Idaho, and that's the 100-mile gravel road. Really good views on it, though. It's just super long. We've been 257 miles so far today. That puts our grand total at 1,504. So about 600 more to go to the end. Just keeping our fingers crossed for good weather. It's a little chilly right now. It's cold when we get up in the mornings, and then it warms up to about 80 during the day. Or late, probably around lunchtime is when it gets up to about 80, and then it stays there till about 5, and then it starts dropping. Right now it's probably, upper 50s, so it's a little chilly. There's a rabbit. They're all over the place. But I'm not complaining about it. At least it's not raining. My feet are still wet from this morning. I'm sure they're all wrinkled up. We did have to do a small fire reroute a little while ago, right before dinner. Wasn't any big deal. Somebody's getting ready to do some work. Alright, I know this is boring, so I'll just do some filming tomorrow.